Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with this month's InSPAration Moment issue, and we are discussing the bright idea. This month's bright idea is truly bright because we need something to brighten up our lives here a little bit. Now, just because we're going through all this crisis and changes that we are experiencing does not mean we can't sharpen the saw. And the bright idea this month is all about how we can take time right now so we can sharpen the saw for our aesthetic team. Your estheticians are leaving a lot of money on the table by not giving your guests the recommendations that they can benefit from. So estheticians have endless opportunities to make recommendations and to deliver better results. So how can they reach their true potential? With more training, both clinical and business. And if we focus on giving them and arming them with these two educational programs, then they're going to be doing a lot better. So to help you, join me and my special guest and expert, Jaclyn Peresetsky, and see how you can improve your team's skills, the guest experience, and generate a lot more revenue. So during this webinar, we're going to go over the consultation process, how they can discover concerns that their guests have, how to actually make the recommendation, how to make the recommendation for the home care, and how they can improve the overall results of the guest. We need to improve that department. Last time I was doing a survey, actually not too long ago, and we found out that the highest average priced facial volume per guest, like stuff that I always try to teach you, most facials are averaging, like if you're lucky, $125 on average, when really the facial should generate at least $200 a guest. You have so many opportunities, and I'm talking $200 for treatments, by the way, not including retail. So out of that 1 hour that your esthetician is spending with a client, they need to be able to generate about $200 from the facial and at least another $100 from retail. So really, every client that walks in for a facial should be generating for you about $300. When they do that, that's when you're gonna get the best results. You're gonna increase retention because now they see a difference in their skin. It's not just, oh, let me apply some cream on your face. So this is the time now. Remember, we're doing the MAPS recovery system. So part of the recovery is education. So I would highly recommend you reserve your seat for this webinar and let us walk you through this process. Jaclyn is amazing. She owns 2 medical spas, and she also opened up a school in Ohio for advanced aesthetic education. So if your estheticians are still just doing your essential, or lack of a better word, a basic facial, it's time to step up and bring that expertise up. And this is one way you're going to be able to do it. So register below. Make sure you join us. Mark your calendar, and you'll get an email with a Zoom link to actually join us on that date. So I look forward to seeing you so I can arm you with some great tips on how to improve your aesthetic department within your spa or medical spa. Stay tuned for the Dory Recommends. Until next time, stay inspired.